How to swap Ethereum to Solana on Phantom Wallet. For that, you need to open your Phantom Wallet application. Then you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now we need to use any other external bridge portal so that we could bridge from Ethereum network to the Solana network, because both of these networks are different. So the best website that I can recommend you is called Portal Bridge. So you need to simply search for portalbridge.com in your Phantom Wallet account and wait for some time until it is launching. Now once you are on the official website of Portal, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your Phantom Wallet with it. But before that, in the From section, you just have to simply tap on it and select Ethereum network. Then you just have to simply select the token that is based on Ethereum which you want to swap. Let's say you want to swap Ethereum to Solana. So first you need to select Ethereum network, then select Ethereum token. After that, you need to select Solana, and then in the token you need to simply tap on Solana. This way you will be able to bridge from Ethereum to Solana. Now enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to convert into Solana. Then tap on the connect option and connect your Phantom Wallet with it. Now once your Phantom Wallet is connected successfully, it will automatically take the amount from your account. So you can either tap on the max option or you can enter the amount for yourself. Then tap on the swap option or the bridge option in the bottom in order to initiate your transaction. Now once your transaction is completed, you will be able to easily bridge from Ethereum to Solana, or you will be able to swap from Ethereum to Solana using the Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.